So if you're wondering why the number 33 is branded on, it's just because when Kuoaloa first started as a working cattle ranch, this is like 1800s, a little bit before, oh, right in between 1850 to 1860. They were the 33rd working cattle ranch throughout the Hawaiian Islands. Oh, okay, come on guys. They're so cute. Sometimes a little sassy though. Hey, it's hard to get mad at them when they're blocking the road. I know. Hi. You guys want to
Oh,
move
what
real
is it?
quick?
Oh, the black one is so cute.
Okay, come on, come on.
Come on, black
Come
one.
on. Oh. Oi. Come on, thank you. Oi. Hi guys. Hey buddy.